Alright, so a little items here in this part, just simply going to be unemployment and social security benefits. Big thing is, this is how the book goes. Unemployment compensation payments are fully taxable. Simple as that. Yeah, anything that you receive for unemployment, even for like the extra boost that we had with the stimulus, is fully taxable. And it's taxed at the ordinary rate as any kind of income. And we're going to receive this generally reported on Form 1099 G, which I'll show you in just a sec. The other item that we deal with, Social Security. Okay? Social Security benefits. Now, part of Social Security benefits may be included in gross income. The maximum inclusion amount is 85%. Okay? Inclusion is based on taxpayer's modified AGI. So, if the modified AGI plus 50% of Social Security benefits is less than the base amount shown below, benefits are excluded from income. Basically, married and filing jointly, $32,000 has to be below that. Married taxpayer who do not live apart for the entire year and still file separate returns, it's 0, so it's never going to be lower. And then there's $25,000 for all other taxpayers. Again, if Social Security is your only income, it will pretty much be non-taxable. Again, that's one benefit of it. Now, for these two forms, since this is basically it for this little part, when you're looking at the 1099-G, this is the form that a client will receive from the state government. Basically, they're the ones that are issuing out the unemployment. Right here will be the unemployment compensation. That's the number that we're going to be using. We also would have state or local income tax if it's a state with income tax. Again, for the state of Texas, we don't have this, so we'll probably never see this box ever have a number if they're from Texas or any other state that does not have a state or local income tax. Okay. Then we have the amount for the tax year. We also have federal income tax withheld. We always, as tax professionals, will tell you to withhold something. They usually do 10% of whatever benefits you receive from unemployment and withhold it. Problem that runs into here for 2020 is that the stimulus, governments did not withhold any money from the extra payment. So that may actually add more to where you go end up owing tax for the unemployment. It's always something good to watch out. Basically, warn clients. And then there's a few little other items like agricultural payments. That's something with the farmland. I think like corn subsidiaries. Market gain also with that. But we really look at unemployment compensation. That's going to be a big one. Alright. And then here's state income tax withheld. Again, if it's a state that actually does it. For the 1099 for Social Security, this is known as a 1099 SSA. If it's an SA, that's HSAs and stuff like that. But really, we don't fill out this form unless you work for Social Security. Our clients will receive the form. And this just happens to be 2019, but it doesn't really change anything between 19 and 20. They're just going to receive this form. And this will actually tell us, again, who they are, their Social Security, benefits paid in 2019, benefits repaid to SSA in 2019. Usually if that's if they paid over, get more money than what they should have. And then the net benefits. Okay? And they'll just give us descriptions. And then there's even federal income tax withheld, just in case. But overall, I just want to show you what a 1099 SSA looks like. So that's basically it for this little part. Again, a lot of overview stuff, but just giving you a brief example of other income related items we may see.